In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get the best TM Lewin discount promo codes. This is pretty simple, so let's jump right into it. First of all, go to your web browser and right here you'll have to search for TM Lewin discount promo codes. Right here, go to this website which is called couponfollow.com and open it. So as you can see right here, we have a list of different type of promo codes that we can use to get some discounts. So for example, if you want to get this one at 15% discount right here, all you need to do is just select your coupon code from right here, and this is the promo code that you can copy from right here. And you can use this promo code on your next purchase in order to get that 15% discount. Also, going back to our main search right here, if you scroll down a little bit, you'll find this website which is called retailerminal.com. And right here, we also have some deals and promo codes that you can use. So, for example, if you want to get this 10% discount for students, all you need to do is just select get deal right here, and for this one, there is no coupon code required. All you need to do is just select this button where it says shop what's TM Lewin, and you'll be redirected to the website where the discount will be applied automatically. So this is all for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.